wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. Mistakes feel fast, and you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing in the pits in the past. Fall from the grave, catch a fall on the first one.
So, y'all kind of seen us putting the trans, or me putting the trans out. We fixed it. I put it back in, as you seen in the last short clips. It seems to be holding fine. I didn't video us working on the trans because it didn't go so well. Once again, inexperience. We're hoping we didn't hurt one clutch. It's got a little bit of a bend to it, but when we put it back in, you know, it should straighten out due to pressure. But the trans seems to be good. I gotta do some hood fitment. It didn't fit. The pins, the Zeus fasteners don't fit right. Had to order some more, had to order different spring heights. You know, this is the first time I've messed with fiberglass stuff, so it's kind of a learning experience to me. But we are heading to Steve's to help him unload the next project, which you all know the car. But I'm gonna go help them get in the garage and we can talk about it. I've been asked about this car, and now y'all can kind of see what's going on with it and move on, and we'll keep stopping by Steve's as he's getting it done. Maybe go over and help him if he needs it. So I'm gonna get on the road here and we'll get to Steve's and help them get this thing unloaded. All right, we're back at Steve's garage, and he's gonna get us all in trouble here in a minute. Steve's already over here starting on this thing. There's his beautiful wife over here hiding, and we'll talk about the Fox that I've been asked about. That was the twin big block car. If you look, like we talked about, this is a, what size motor is this now?
It's a 6.0.
Yeah, but you remember what it is altogether?
What do you mean?
Like, is it stroked or anything?
Nope.
Okay, so Albert got a 6.0. K1 rods and pistons, Wiseco, or K1 crank and rods, Wiseco pistons. It's pretty much got the best of everything in the bottom end. He's going twin 7875 BS Racing turbos, and Steve's going to be doing all of it like normal. This car is a 25.3, something like that.
Yeah.
25.3 car. It's actually going to get a radiator back in the front. It's got the full air to water under the intake. It's going to be a really nice setup when he's done. It should go easily into the 4s, I think. What do you think, Steve? Think it'll go 4s?
I'd say it's probably a 510, maybe a 490 car.
I think if we get the suspension set, I think it'll
I think
go.
after it gets lined out, it might be a 490 car.
Consistent
Honestly,
full 495 car,
Yeah, that would be pretty.
which would be fast enough.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of work to be done. Steve's already got Albert's credit card, and I think Albert's regretting it in life right now because he's ordered everything pretty much to get it going. He's got more in his intake than I got in my whole motor set up. So, but guys, that's really about it. If y'all have any questions about the car or about the Fox, let me know. I'll answer anything I can. I know there's a lot of Fox body guys out there. Steve's already got this fancy elbow thing sitting over here that he's going to do. And of course it already had the turbo mounts from the bigger turbos the last time.
They're getting redone.
Steve doesn't like them, they're getting redone. Just expect half the car to be cut off in the front and then just redone because it's not up to his standards. And if y'all seen the work on my car, you know his standards are up there, so it'll mostly be redone. But guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna end the video and watch Steve look at this thing for the next hour, and we'll see you till next time.